listen, you lot. We will show you the 4 mitzvot for each Jew on Purim Day. We'll show you the way, so join in and say,
you all gotta know what's the first one. Wicked Haman, he was no fun, but the Jews should shine. Something need to be done, and the first mitzvah is Megillah.
here is something really fun. When I hear the name Haman, I wanna move my Gragger. I wanna move my Gragger. I wanna move my Gragger. Megillah, hearing the story of Queen Esther and Mordechai's glory. I wanna move my Gragger. I wanna move my Gragger. I wanna move my Gragger.
You lot, we will show you the second mitzvah. For each Jew, must not live your name. To the poor you must give. Everybody, let's sing.
Just listen, you lot. We will show you